Hi viewers. This is an unboxing video of Panasonic Eluga Ray 610. Panasonic is a Japanese multinational consumer electronics corporation. Coming to the Eluga Ray 610 specification, it's having 15.79 cm V-notch big view display, 3 GB RAM and 32 GB internal storage, and 13 plus 3 megapixel rear camera, 13 megapixel front camera, 4000 mAh long-lasting battery. MediaTek Helio P22 octa-core processor 2.0 GHz. It's having a fingerprint sensor, and the device runs with Android Pie version 9 operating system. Let's unbox to see the content inside the box. There the device. It's protected with light polyethylene cover. This is the fingerprint scanner, and the rear dual camera 13 plus 2 megapixel. In the box there is transparent mobile protection cover, SIM ejector pin inside protection cover. Device warranty card with printed warranty terms and conditions. And quick start guide for Eluga Ray 610. In the table of content you can know how to set up the device and other settings. There is the power adapter compatible with micro USB. It supports the output 5 volts DC and 2000 mA. There is the micro USB cable to transfer the data and charging purposes. And the last item in the accessories box is earphones. Panasonic is providing nice looking and good quality earphones with 3.5 mm jack. Let's check the device next. Now Eluga Ray 610 on my hands. After removing the cover, the handset looking nice. On the left side of the device you can find power button and volume up and down buttons. It's totally plastic body and looking like glass finish. This is the rear dual camera with 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel with flash. Eluga Ray 610 having dedicated slot for SD card. And supports dual Nano SIM. This is the information of SA values of the device. There is a 3.5 mm audio jack and microphone on the top of the device. Single audio speaker and micro USB charging port at the bottom of the device. This is the SIM and SD card slot. Dedicated micro SD card. It supports up to 512 GB. And dual Nano SIM cards you can place at a time. The device is configured and let's check the device. First check the version of the device. Oh, it's already running the latest patch Android Pie version 9. Check the device configuration on About. Processor, octa-core 64-bit processor. Device name, Eluga Ray 610, RAM, 3 GB, ROM 32 GB. Android version and software version. This device comes with stock Android. There is no unnecessary apps and customized apps and UI. Let's check the rear camera. Rear camera is dual camera with 13+2 megapixel lens flash. And the front camera comes with 13 megapixel. The camera quality is good. And the video supports Full HD 1920 into 1080p, HD supports 1280 into 720p. And SD quality. The scene mode, there are different modes. Like night, sunset, party, portrait, landscape, theater, beach, snow and more. Come to the storage. The device storage is 32 GB and the dedicated memory supports up to 512 GB. Come to the storage. The device storage is 32 GB and the dedicated memory supports up to 512 GB. I am already installed 32 GB card. You can manage external storage merge with internal storage. Next, check the audio and video quality. The audio quality is good and it works with single speaker and delivers loud. The video quality supports up to 720p only.